Construction accidents are very severe usually because construction workplace is a very hazardous place. I've had cases where people have died falling off of ladders or scaffolds. There's a lot of debris at a construction site. Debris which causes ladders to tilt and fall. Debris which causes people to trip. Passageways which aren't clear. What we find that, especially in the smaller jobs, and there's a lot of smaller jobs going around now because the economy is booming, that the low-level contractors cut a lot of corners in terms of employing either undocumented workers, in those cases greatly expose the workers to hazard. It's very easy for the contractor to claim that the worker wasn't working for him because they're not documented. Sometimes they're working under a different name or an assumed social security number, and often they're living in fear. I've had clients walk away from cases because of a misplaced fear that they would be deported, which is not the case. The law does protect injured people, even if they're undocumented. If someone has been involved in a construction accident, we would tell them that they should contact us immediately. And the first thing we would do is handle their workers' compensation cases and make sure that the story, the facts as they are related, coincide with what really happened and is not the supervisor's version of the accident which exonerates the company from liability. Another reason you should come to our firm is because even if you're an undocumented immigrant, it doesn't matter in terms of how we'll represent you. In fact, we are aware that the law provides special protections for undocumented workers, and such that the other side, the defense, is not even allowed to inquire into their immigration status. So if you're an undocumented worker, you don't have to worry about bringing a lawsuit if you've been seriously injured. You have the same rights as a citizen.